Oh, hello there! Today I'll show you how to replace overused or damaged Audio-Technica ATH-M30X on-ear monitor headphone earpad cushions, aka pillows. These have already served their time and they became hard and wrinkly like an old man's face. Before doing this DIY and refreshing your favorite headphones, you have to buy from Amazon or eBay replacement earpad cushion for Audio-Technica ATH-M30X headphones. Both velour or leather earpads can be used. Click the I button to see my video where I note the differences. Let's begin, shall we? To remove headphone pillow, you can use one finger. Shove your finger behind the pillow's edge and pull it off. By the way, it's 50 times easier to remove them than putting them back on. Click on the I button to check how difficult it is. To put on the new earpad cushion, start from the top. Put in the pillow edge and continue with the rest of the edge. Use your second hand to hold the parts that you have already put on so they don't escape. And just keep doing this until you put in the entire earpad's edge. That's all. As I said before, this ain't easy. But with a little bit of patience, you can make your headphones like brand new. Just don't rip the earpad by stretching it. If somewhere pillow edge is outside the attachment, just squeeze it in with your nails. After that, press the earpad with your thumb and voila! One earpad cushion is successfully replaced. I used velour type pillow, because less sweat in them and they're more comfortable. Then do the same with the other earpad. It should be easier now. Then by clicking on the I button you can check how to make Audio-Technica ATH-M series the attachable cable mod. Right now just enjoy the silence while I put on the other pillow. And we're done! Headphones look totally new and you can install your favorite velour or leather or even custom earpads. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe so we can meet in another DIY video. Ciao!